So here we are at the Southern Alps to put the Zeekr products through a different challenge, and that's on the snow and ice. So we are really testing the platforms and how the handling is when traction goes off, which I don't know many of the cars that are going to do this, but it is to see how the four-wheel drive handles, how the two-wheel drive, how the performance goes, and also just the sheer luxury, how you putting a luxurious vehicle through its paces on snow and ice, with just getting its rear end sliding out and just having a ton of fun. And it is such a beautiful place. It's so hard to put into words what a lovely backdrop this is and how amazing it is and what to put these vehicles through. Anyway, we've got the 9X, the 8X, the 7X, the X, the 7GT, the 001. There's just a variety of products that have increased the I guess the offerings for the Zeekr brand, and also just the playfulness for it. So come, let's have some fun with this.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
All right, so what we're doing on this exercise is a slalom. So we have the 9X, the 8X, the 7X, and the 001 FR, which is just a performance machine. But you've got some big machinery, some luxury vehicles sliding around, as you'll see in the background there, and just getting his tail out, just having some fun. It is great to feel the control of how these vehicles, electric, plug-in hybrid, perform on the snow, on this white stuff. And I have to say they're doing it very, very well.
This is not a drill.
Repeat, this is not a drill.
So this here is the 9X, and just look at the size of this beast. And its tail wagging. Funny. This thing is an animal.
Is that all you got?
0 to 100 in 2 seconds, or 2.02 seconds. This would be just a track monster, or something's going to upset your lunch. Okay, so we got to the sort of part of the day where things haven't gone as smoothly as they should, and it means that we've ended up with about 45 minutes of Gymkhana. So there's a route laid out that's a little bit, I guess, sketchy, but what it means is we can put together all the stuff we've learnt, including understeer, oversteer, well, particularly oversteer, and navigating around a course that is kind of there. I'm in the X, so shortest wheelbase and all-wheel drive, and really enjoying this vehicle. It is a ton of fun, and sort of gets around the course with yeah, I guess a little bit of spirit, which is fine. The 7GT has proven to be a really good handful, actually. There's a lot of rear bias, and it does sort of swing its rear end around very well. It's going to be one of the cars to look forward to when it comes out. And then as you say, as you would have seen earlier, we managed to take the 9X and the 8X out on the slalom, which was just a big bertha, just moving around in luxury. I would have preferred to actually have been in the back and just sipping cocktails or something while it all went on. But once these next two cars go out of the way, I will be hitting the track. So the big thing here is have fun, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. So you point, slam down on the accelerator, turn around, hard lock, get the back round, and then again, hard on that accelerator to get that rear end going, and spin around, and then in through the gates, back round here over the bridge, which is fun, and then we're going up over a clockwise drift, which is again trying to keep the car as back over the bridge and then in through the gate. That is a lot of paddling and a lot of fun. So that, my friends, is a wrap for the snow part of this. So Southern Alps have been amazing with the hospitality. The weather's been tremendous and played ball, and the cars themselves have just done tremendously. So I would say, actually, pardon the pun, remarkable, because of obviously the Remarkables, but actually it's an inside joke, I guess. But great vehicles, luxury and performance, and just a lot of fun. It's all wrapped into one brand. Who knew? Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. See ya. And if the day wasn't good enough, it's topped off with a helicopter trip back.